Let's try the Father's Day Buckeye Brownie Box. Mr. Tuxedo, straight to the glutes. That's some good Oreo. I was thinking this was gonna be a chocolate overload, but it's not. Let's give her a little mixy poo. Hey, yo! Little dippy poo action. I'm giving that one a solid 8.8 out of 10. Very good Oreo flavor, straight up like an Oreo brownie. That's a very good brownie. Happily ever after. It smells like an apple crisp. This tastes like Thanksgiving. Tastes like an apple crisp my mom would make. So good. My mom's a little bit better, so I'm giving this one an 8.4 out of 10. Very good taste though. Blueberries and cream. Hopefully it's very creamy. Very good blueberry taste. I like this. This one tastes like a fresh out of the oven blueberry muffin, but in brownie form. Needs a little bit more cream though. Oh yes. I'm giving it an 8.2 out of 10. Butterfinger. Love the Butterfinger. The rest of the brownie, you know, it's decent. I'm giving that brownie a 7.4 out of 10. Overall, the Father's Day Buckeye Brownies box is pretty good.